This is a Logitech C920. I got this at Staples. I was walking around and I saw this and I said, you know what, this could be the answer. But I am seriously doing the unboxing because you still have the tape. No joke, the tape is still on here. I've just done that. And I figured, you know, they take a long time. I'm taking a long time. There's a lot you can read on the side if you cared. Yeah. I want to be careful pulling this out. Alright. So, of course it has this instructions. And I don't know, but I only spent $60 on it. So I didn't buy the 2-year plan for $9. I probably could have. But by the time you mail it out and there's an issue, I don't know, is it worth it? Who knows? This video over here while I'm doing this was shot with my laptop and the lens on top, the webcam on the laptop. Alright, so they have this packed really nice. Pull that out. There's the cable. There we go. And there you go. Pull this out. Voila. This is a USB connection, so it can go into any computer. So basically I have my laptop, but I'm going to be putting it on my tower. So then I would look for the USB and then I would pop it in like that. And then you would be able to set it so you can recognize this camera. That it's wrapped really well. I'm happy. What I thought was also very interesting was, let's see if I can do this. Pears. This is really good for pears. Anyway, so be careful of the lens. You want to keep that clean. Now, wow. Now, what can I tell you about this? This is really interesting. So it has a thread here. So that means if I have a small stand, like a tripod stand, I can screw that in there. Now, I find this really interesting. What does this do? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I'm just throwing stuff back here. So, this looks like, this is really interesting. This looks like it fits on the back of your computer. I'm not really getting that, but what I am getting is that you can raise this up a bit. You should always try different scenarios and what is going to be, this is something that I would be using all the time. This is my spare mini tripod, okay? So if it's my spare, then why wouldn't I use this? Now I have a VCR.